In this module, we're going to be looking at our last time travel concept, time jumping. The book that you're going to be reading is a classic in science fiction, Slaughterhouse-Five, by Kurt Vonnegut. If you've never read anything by Kurt Vonnegut before, you are definitely in for a treat and a surprise. His narrative is very, very different from the types of stories we've been reading to now. His main character, Billy Pilgrim, is a traveler in time, not just in life, but in time itself. And you'll see him sort of become unstuck in time. And Vonnegut has a very interesting narrative style that will at times talk directly to us, the readers. So it's really going to challenge you to pay attention to not just the story of Billy Pilgrim, but how the author engages with us, the readers, and challenges us to think differently about how life progresses and how each moment passes as Billy Pilgrim jumps back and forth through different periods of time in his life. The major assignment that we are working on, continuing to work on, is going to be the essay, the formal interpretive essay. To this point, you have turned in your topic and argument proposal. Now we are starting to work on the draft. This module will focus primarily on two different things. One, completing that first draft and also engaging in peer workshop. Down below, you'll see the instructions for how to go about completing both of those, where to turn them in, due dates for the different parts of each assignment. I will also be giving feedback to those first drafts, so make sure that you pay attention to when those are due. A couple quick notes that I want to make about creating this first draft. Take a close look at the assignment sheet again. There are specific ideas about writing a literary analysis paper that will be very important. Oftentimes it's very different from what most people are used to with writing college composition essays. I want you to be particularly focused on staying within the world of the text itself. This isn't going to be an essay as an exercise for exploring social ideas or anything outside of the text. The argument that I'm going to be working to help you develop is going to be focused on some kind of problem or argument within the text itself. And the essay is going to be your exploration of that problem and presenting the evidence that you find within the text that's going to help you support that thesis or that idea. The two readings that I had you do early on in the semester, the Roberts Writing About Literature chapter, and also the short Diana Hacker piece, Writing About Literature, the supplement. Both of those are going to be extremely important tools that I want you to be using, referencing along the way to help guide you developing your paper. A lot of the answers to the questions you'll have about writing an essay you'll find in these texts. So I will continue to reference these in discussions and in the emails and other messages that I send out to you. So please keep that in mind as you're working on these. As the week goes on and you are developing this draft, please make sure you stay in touch. I'm looking forward to working on this essay with you.